Looking to supercharge your PC's performance? The OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz PC4-25600CL22 RAM upgrade might just be the solution you've been searching for. This kit comprises 4 16GB DDR4 modules, meticulously crafted to meet JEDEC standard specifications, ensuring 100% compliance and a warranty-safe upgrade. Installation is a breeze, making it a perfect DIY project for even novice users. Plus, with the OWC Basic installation video providing step-by-step guidance, you'll have your system upgraded in no time. But let's talk performance. RAM upgrades are renowned for their ability to breathe new life into aging systems, and this kit is no exception. With a lightning-fast memory speed of 3200 MHz, expect a noticeable boost in your PC's responsiveness, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. What's more, OWC backs this product with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program, providing peace of mind and ensuring you're covered in case of any unforeseen issues. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best way to enhance your PC's performance, the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz PC4-25600 CL22 RAM upgrade is a no-brainer. Unlock your system's full potential and experience the difference today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.